Hi, it is spelling time. So today is Tuesday, so we're going to work on some words that we're going to spell on our test. So we're still working on words that have short vowels that have a consonant before and after. And so you're really just sounding out these words, but you're also remembering to mark the vowel with an X. So let's read through some examples of words you might get on your test. Remember, you'll probably get different words than these on your test. So some A words you might get are map and bat. They both have the A sound like apple. Remember, when you are writing them on your test, you always want to mark your vowel with an X. Our E words say like can you hear me? And some examples are pet and yes. Remember to mark those vowels. I says like itch. And so some examples, and this one's actually missing. Let me fix this. So some examples of words that say like itch are win and bin. And of course you'll mark those vowels. And then we have box and cog are examples of an O. Remember, an O says ah, like opera. Then we have U words that sound like umbrella. And some examples are cup and cut. And you'll mark those vowels as well. So you're just going to sound out some words and put the sounds of the consonants and the sounds of the vowel and then mark the vowel. So here's some for you to write on your piece of paper. So the first word I want you to write is jog. Jog. Hit pause and write the word jog. The next word I want you to write is bat. Bat. And the last word that I want you to write is lag. Lag. Okay. So now let's go through those words. So jog, you should have wrote J-O-G. Marked your O. Your next word that I told you to write was bat. And that one was a B-A-T. And you'll mark your vowel. And your last word that you would write is lag. So it's L-A-G. And you would mark your vowel. So those should be what you wrote on your paper. If you have any mistakes, go ahead and fix them. Now we're going to read through our most common words, or our heart words, and write those down now. So your first most common word this week is do. We will do our best on spelling. Your next most common word is you're. You're going to try hard. Your next most common word is there. Please turn your papers in over there. Your last most common, or no, the two more most common words. So your next most common words is there, like this is their classroom or their spelling test. There. And your last heart word that you'll write down is said. Said. Okay, so here's what you should have wrote. You should have wrote do, D-R, with a heart around the O. Your, Y-O-R-O-U-R, with a heart around the O-U-R. Then you should have wrote there, T-H-E-R-E, with a heart around the E-R-E. There, E-I-R, with a heart around the E-I-R. And said, S-A-I-D, with a heart around the A-I. Okay, make sure you fixed it. Make sure that you don't have any mistakes. And make sure you use nice handwriting and give it to Miss Hackney to turn in.